Well, I have that ugly noise now on my internet, the shooing. Okay. All right. The sine law can be used to solve any triangle when given SSA. So if you have any triangle that's not a right angle triangle, if you are given SSA, right? Or AAS. AAS. Or angle, side, angle. Okay, that's all that means and how they're related to each other. So this is SSA, angle, angle S, angle, side, angle. Okay? You can use the cosine law when you're given side, 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 or you're given side, angle, side. Okay, those are the conditions there. Good? Okay, if you were to look at this triangle, you notice you are given angle, angle, side. So notice we have angle, angle, side. Therefore, use sine law. Yes. Mm-hmm. Okay. Side, side angle looks like this. Side, then side. Then see it's side, no angle there. Side, side, angle. And you said this is the angle is between the two sides. But this angle is outside the two sides. Okay? All right. So we can set it up now. Can we find angle C? Right? Minus 55. Oh, that should be a minus sign. Minus 55. There we go. Minus 55 is equal to 80 degrees. Okay, so now we have the 80 degrees. Why don't we put that in? And we can set up our sine law. Now, if you recall, this is opposite angle C is side C. Opposite angle A is side A. And opposite angle B is side B. Now we have all the angles, so we might as well use this form of the sine law. This one here. We might as well use that one, right? Okay, because when what we're looking for is on top, it's easier to find. So A is 7 over sine of 45 degrees is equal to, well, B over sine of 55 degrees, and that is equal to C over sine of 45 degrees. No, hold it. 80 degrees. Thank you very much. So we can use these two to find B, and then we'll worry about C later. But B is equal to 7 sine 55 degrees all over sine 45 degrees. And that is approximately, they want 4 decimal places, so we'll give them 4 decimal places. So B is equal to 8.1092. Now, when I go to solve for C, which one should I use? Should I use this or should I use this? Huh? Right. Use this and this to find C, just because 7 is not a rounded off number, but our B is. So there's more accuracy here. So C is equal to 7 sine 80 degrees divided by sine of 45 degrees. And that is approximately equal to 9.7491. Just plug it in your calculator. Make sure you're in degree mode. Now we're going to look at the cosine law. And just so you're familiar with it, if we want to find any angle, we could solve for cos A and then do inverse cos. Why don't we do it that way? Or would you like the formulas for angles? Cos of A equals, I'm sorry. It's on the previous page anyway. Cos of A will equal b squared plus c squared minus a squared all over 2bc. If you were to solve for this, that's what you would get. I don't think we need to go through all of them, but it's the same idea. Cos of b is equal to a squared plus c squared minus b squared all over 2ac, and cos of c is equal to a squared plus b squared minus c squared all over 2ab. Okay? So let's do it. Let's find E. So notice we have side, angle, side. Therefore, which one are we going to use? Side, angle, side. The angle is contained. So we're going to use cosine law, right? Side, angle, side. Okay, so right away we know E squared equals 12 squared plus 16 squared minus 2, 12, 16 cos of 25 degrees. E squared is approximately equal to 51.97780,978. But E is approximately, we take the square root of that. Don't forget, a common error is people stop here, but you want to make sure you take the square root of that. They want 4 decimal place, so it's 7.2096. Can I answer any question? I think it's pretty straightforward. If you know which one to use, it's straightforward. Okay, we are given 3 sides, so what should we use? So cos of A, cos of A equals c squared plus b squared minus a squared all over 2cb. And that is equal to 12 squared plus 15 squared minus 7 squared over 2 times c, which is 12, times 15. And that is approximately 0.8888 repeat, okay? I don't know what more I can tell you. Just get used to plugging it into your calculator. So angle A is equal to inverse cos of 0. Put in as many 8s as you can to get the most accurate answer. I realized I rushed through it. It's just that it's just a review from grade 10. Right? I don't know what else to tell. Are we good? Be prepared for tomorrow. Tomorrow's a doozy. It's sine law ambiguous case. Sine law ambiguous case. It's a doozy. That's all, folks.